Ryobi is coming out with more new tools, and this time it's blowers and inflators, all the little handheld ones, the ones that make you need it the most, pumping up tires, blowing up mattresses. It's all about inflators today. Hang on, my name is Brent. This is Live Free and Tool On. Let's go ahead and jump into it. The first one is an 18 1+ dual function digital inflator / deflator. Now here are some of the specifications about this awesome new tool. Now we already have one similar to this, but this one's a little bit better. And this is why. Up to 160 psi, ideal for high pressure applications from filling up tires to high sports balls. High volume inflation and deflation of pool toys, air mattresses, and other inflatables. You really want those, right? And you want to be able to deflate your mattresses so you can get those into the really tight spots and you don't have to waste your time rolling around on mattresses trying to get the air out of it. And you know, if you've done it before, it is a pain in the bum. With that being said, it has an LCD screen for easy and accurate measurement readings, on-board LED work light, integrated carrying handle, onboard storage for hoses and accessories, sweeper nozzle to blow dust and debris off small surfaces, narrow pitch valve nozzle, I gotta get my words right here, to inflate narrow or small valve openings. Pinch valve nozzle inflates standard or large inflatables. That's awesome. Pinch valve adapter to inflate balloons and of the such. It comes with a 3-year warranty. Now, what is this going to cost you? This is going to cost you $79.97, so $80 for the inflator itself, and then $129 for the kit. Now, it's an 18-volt kit, and the kit comes with a 2 amp hour battery. So I'm very excited about that one, but we got to move on. I think that was the one I'm most happy for. But they've come out with a new version of this right here. I use this all the time. Now, this deflates and inflates as well, and the new one does as well. But let's talk a little bit more about it. The new version of this, it's over the Whisper series, and if you listen, annoyingly loud, ridiculously loud, but the new one is 44% more quiet. So it's part of the Whisper series, and you really do want that. A few other things: it's fast and easy high volume inflation and deflation for large inflatables. Powerful airflow, fills 55 queen air mattresses per charge. And if you're going to use the per charge, we got to go back up to, let's talk about the price, $39.97, so $40 for the tool itself, $89.97 for the kit. Now, whenever you use the kit, that's going to come with a 2 amp hour battery, and that's where you're going to be able to inflate 55 air mattresses. Now, this has a bunch of different adapters for it, but the main thing is you're going to be able to do pretty much the same thing you do with this one, but it's going to be quieter, more efficient, more powerful. And you really want that because you're using this indoors, and that is just ridiculously loud, but effective, but really annoying. So if you're going to do this at nighttime, you're going to wake everybody up in your house. So you want the new one. You want to get away from this one, that's for sure. Alright, so we're going to jump into more of the bicycle light inflator for tires. This is the 18 1+ high pressure digital inflator. Now, this is going to come as a kit or not a kit. It's going to cost you $40 alone, and then it's going to cost you $89.97. It's going to be $90 for the kit, and it comes with a 2 amp hour battery. Looking at the specifications on it, it's ideal for bicycles and small tires. It deflates up to 160 psi as well, just not as much volume as the bigger one, so you got to keep that in mind. It's not a replacement for the big one. It's just a little bit easier to use, I guess, for bicycles or such, or traveling, whatever you want. It has a 24-inch extended reach hose. It has a pinch valve, so it's going to be able to get into the narrow spaces a little bit easier than it is now. Well, actually, now it's pretty narrow, too. It's pretty easy, but that one's going to be a little bit grippier, just a little more ergonomic, if you will. It comes with a 3-year warranty. It's part of the OnePlus system, so you've got over 280 tools coming out. Now, with all these being said, these are some of the updates that we really did need. One of my most favorite tools that Ryobi has is the tire inflator. Now, it's a dual function, and it's digital right now, too, but it takes a little bit longer. It does the job, but it is loud. So with these new ones, they're going to be a little bit more quiet. They're going to pump things a little bit quicker, more efficient, and that's what we need. And it's going to have more digital technology. They're a little pricey coming into the market, but as we all know, the prices will drop. We get a ton of sales out there too. So don't let the price scare you. You're going to get it cheaper than that $90 or $100 for the kit. And for the 40 or 60 whatever dollars that you're going to spend on the tool itself, you can reuse your batteries. You can still get those on sale too. Now I hope to see these out pretty soon because we're all going to be using them, and with the wintertime here, everyone's tires are losing pressure unless you're using nitrogen. There's not a lot of people using nitrogen. Everybody, I hope that you found this helpful. If you did, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. My name is Brent. This is Live Free and Tool On. Get out there, go build something. Make your mistakes, learn from your mistakes. Pass it on to the next generation, and we will all be better for it. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. Take care.